All right, Andre, do it. What a cold start.
Never started
I
like
was
this.
too late. Shut it off and start right now.
It's never started like this before.
It's cold out.
Yeah. Ooh, it sounds different.
We need a few things, so we are going to Walmart and then we are going to Village something of Sunriver, basically a little small shopping center. All the cars are running and look at that. It's starting to snow again. I do wish it would snow a lot more though. Love the smell of a diesel. Beast of a truck. Fun fact for you guys, the layout of this house I think has to be my favorite layout of a home by far. That's actually why I booked this home particularly or specifically, because of its layout. I've never stayed in a home like this and I wanted to see how it is, and I can say I love it. So maybe next house will be kind of like this one. Made it to Walmart in Bend, and let me find my people because they all ditched me. There's some of them. Yuri, where are the rest of them at?
I don't know. The usual snow.
Found my wife. As Noah's picking his nose. I guess while I was on the phone with my father, everyone completed their shopping lists and they are back at the car. So I got mini me. Noah, say hi. Hi. And we're going back to the car. Wife is paying for the few items that we got at Walmart, and we're going to the Sunriver Village, I don't know, shopping center type of deal. You guys will see once we get there. A little snow over the last 2 days. And it changes the landscape. Everything looks so nice. Snow is beautiful. This is one of the entrances to the Sunriver Village area. I think this is where the pool is. Or maybe not. I don't remember. No, maybe not. This is the fire department. Or maybe not. I don't know what I'm talking about. But they got Starbucks here, and this is actually where we're going. Little shopping center. I know they have an ice skating rink here. Made it to the village at Sunriver. Nice little tractor. Looks like he's salting the pavement. This kid loves machinery. Look how beautiful it is out today.
Hi guys, we are going to be really fun.
Smell food and it smells hecka bomb. Like all of these buildings are kind of really nice. I like the way they look. Sunriver Brewing. Wonder what's in building number 2. Coffee house. Brewed Awakenings. Imagine how great this place would be in the summertime. This is what you would expect of a little shopping area. Little shops, nothing major, nothing huge, but a little bit of everything for everyone. What is my brother doing? And it is so empty. I think literally this is the first time that we've ever been here that we're like the only people here. Kids want everything inside the store. That and dolls and games and coloring pages and crafts and puzzles and stuffed toys. They want everything. I did some walking around, but aside from the girls getting some coffee, I don't think we bought anything else. and it is extremely cold outside. It feels like maybe 28 degrees, 26 degrees. I mean, it's really cold. So we're going back to the house. We'll see what's gonna happen there. Back at the toy store. We're gonna find something for the kids. Okay, Noah, what do you want?
Yeah, had to. What the?
I don't think you need that. Let's go find some cars.
That looks cool. Catching fish.
Okay, Sophia, you need crafts.
Yeah.
Let's go find crafts. You want another truck like that?
Yeah.
Look, look, there's a truck down here, Noah. And look, that's a boat.
Which boat?
Boat is right here.
This is the
And this is a truck.
I want that.
You want that?
Stop animal.
Too heavy?
Yeah.
Noah is a proud owner of a service station now. Sophia has a arts and crafts sticker set. So we actually did end up buying stuff, as you guys can see. But it's all for the kids. It's memories, and when we go out shopping day to day, they rarely ask for things, but I feel like when we're on vacation, they definitely want to leave with something. So this is what we have. This place even has a golf course. I've never played golf. I'd like to start. But look, all these trees and kind of houses nested in between. Imagine what this place looks like when it's just covered in snow. It is so, almost like a fairy tale, magical. This is why we've been coming here the last 4 or 5 years. Today's our last night. And I haven't been recording every single day, just little bits and pieces of our days. But about, what, 20 minutes ago, you'd say? It started to snow. And it's starting to stick, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's coming down nice and slow. This is what's accumulated on the vehicles thus far. So I guess we'll see how this is going to go and how long it's going to last. Okay, that way, I'll take a video.
Don't get snowing. It's snowing.
And we are leaving this wonderful place. Show you guys real quick. Today is definitely a warmer day, 47 degrees, everything is melting.
Yeah.
But we had such a good time. We will return at the very latest next year, if not maybe during the summer. Guys, thank you for watching, thank you for joining, and I will see you all in another video.